Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this cute chocolate banana treat. In Japan, you can always find chocolate banana stands at festivals. How about in your country? On the back, you can see the instructions. It looks super easy. Alright, let's open it up. Wow! The moment I opened it, a sweet banana aroma came out. That's a really good sign. And here's the chocolate. There's plenty of it. And of course, the colorful sugar toppings. They make such a nice sound. There are even toothpicks included. Okay, let's start with the chocolate. I'm happy there's so much of it. I'll squeeze it out onto the tray. Oh, that sweet chocolate smell is amazing! Now, let's pour out the colorful sugar toppings too. So many different colors, so cute! Look at that, everything is ready. This is so simple and nice. Let's start making them. First, stick a toothpick into the banana candy. Perfect! Now, dip it into the chocolate. Oops, it's a little tricky. If the room were warmer, the chocolate might be softer and easier to dip. Let's add the colorful toppings. Something like this. Nice! It looks really cute. Time to taste it. Itadakimasu. Wow, I'm surprised. This is really delicious! The sweetness of the banana, the rich chocolate flavor, and the crunchy colorful toppings are a perfect match. A lot of DIY candy cakes take some effort, but this one is so easy that you can eat it right away, which makes me happy. The chocolate is a bit too hard, so it doesn't stick very well, but it really feels like I'm making it myself, which is so much fun. Since there are plenty of banana-flavored soft candies, you can try it over and over again. The taste and texture are so good, I could eat as many as I want. On this channel, I introduce all kinds of Japanese DIY candy kits. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!